In today's video, we are going to show you how to export a list in ClickUp, which is perfect for reporting, backups, or sharing data outside of the platform. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Once you've done that, I want you to hover to the left side area of our navigation and click the workspace that you wanted to work into. From here, open the exact list you want to export and make sure right here that the list view is shown in the list, because by default your projects and tasks can be viewed by board, calendar, team, and you can also opt in for another team view, but that requires for a business plan. Now I want you to click the list view right here. If you do, you will have multiple options right here. There is an option here that says export view, which is the most crucial step when exporting your list. Okay, so you have multiple options here. You can choose the preferences on what to export. Is it going to be visible columns, task names only, all columns, and the file format? You can choose from a CSV, Excel, or a date format like normal, ISO, PO6, and the time format can be normal, hours and minutes, minutes and seconds. It's up to you. But for now, in this instance, I'm gonna click the Excel and I'm gonna click the download button. And basically, that's how you export a list in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.